Hi, Mike from Mike's Carburetor Parts, where we have high quality carburetor parts and fuel injector parts. Are you tired of spending a fortune on gas every week? Well, here are some tips that'll help you save on gas and, of course, same time save money. Avoid rapid acceleration and sudden stops. Every time you hit that gas, it puts an extra squirt of gas into the engine. Maintain a steady speed and anticipate stops. You see a red light, start slowing down. Keep your tires at the correct inflation. Low tire inflation will cause you to use more gasoline. Reduce wind resistance by taking things off the top of your car and also remove heavy items from your trunk or the back of your pickup. That'll make a difference. Use your cruise control whenever possible. That gives you a nice steady acceleration. Avoid speeding up and slowing down. Same thing. Every time you speed up, you use more gas. You can save 1 to 2 miles per gallon just by following the speed limit. Keep, keep your engine well maintained. That'll improve your gas mileage. There you go, folks. A few things to help you save on gas. Thank you for watching and have a great day.